Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be redoing or recreating James Charles' bubble look. And so, yeah, I'm actually blonde now, so that's fun. I'm happy about it. I look so good. This girl named Armani, her Instagram is Armani Aesthetics. She did the hair for me and I will link her down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get right into the video because I want to make this kind of quick. And I'm going to kind of modify it to my face because everybody has a different face. Alright, so he has blue, purple, and pink here with like a cut crease. And that's like... whatever. Yeah, he kind of brings it up into the brow. So first, I'm going to go into my 39A from Morphe, which is this bad girl right here. And I'm going to take that orange shade called Vivid. So I'm going to use the second orange here. So I just needed that there as a transition for all the other colors that are coming next. And so I'm gonna go in with the pink next, and I'm using pink, the Create color from 39A, and I'm putting that right there. That'll make the purple and blue easier to blend since we use the orange as the transition. I'm going to pop that purple. Then I'm taking the Sugar Pill Kimchi shadow and I'm putting that here. Now that my creases are cut, I'm gonna take this white liquid liner from NYX and go over that. Not like over the whole space, I'm just gonna line the crease at the top. Again, not perfect, but it ain't gonna be. So, I'm gonna go back in with a smaller bullet brush and that same Kimchi shadow, and I'm going to go on the inside of that cut crease and lay some of that down. I know his is blank, but I kind of want it to be a little bit on the inside. He actually recreated this from a artist called Jelly Berry, but like the B is the 8. Yeah, she did the face chart. I don't think she does face charts on the regular, but like the face chart she did was really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna take that smaller brush again. I'm going into my Alchemist palette. I'm using the blue shade, and I'm going to put that on that inner section right there. I'm just making it really stand out. That makes such a difference. And I mean, you could probably use like a white iridescent shadow. Like, it doesn't have to be blue, but like that blue made such a difference. It looks like I'm glowing, y'all. So now for the harder part, only because of my skin tone, a lot of these yellow shades are not for me, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna do the blue first because that'll be easy, or easier. And to do that, I'm going to take, I'm gonna actually use, this is interesting, I'm gonna use a shark toothbrush from Fenty, and I'm gonna go into that Kimchi shade, and I'm just gonna press it in there. And gets it going because he has a lot on. And these shades definitely pop more on a white base. I don't know how dedicated I was to putting white all over my face though, because that will break you out like you wouldn't believe. After this is purple. I look a little insane. This looks like a beard. Just gonna blend it out there. I look a little insane. Just okay, I'm gonna use that same brush and go into purple. Just to make my life easy. And this is gonna fit like the contour. And then we're gonna put pink up here, like the highlight. And I'm actually, what happened here? I'm gonna take the brush that I put on my concealer and foundation with and kind of just blend into it. But you can kind of see the rise. Yeah, no. I mean, it's working, but not the way I want it to. So I'm going to take that brush. I'm actually gonna use the hot pink from 39A and blend it into that shadow. Then I'm gonna bring that pink up to the temples and under my eye. I don't know if you guys can tell how freaking awesome that is. Yeah. Can you guys see that? Okay. Obvious in the pictures. What happened? But I'm just gonna settle for this like nude lip gloss, whatever. And now I'm gonna do the bubbles. So if I see my cheeks are like that, I'm gonna take this white liquid liner and get to drawing. God, that was stressful. That lip. Fill this one in with blue. Actually, that was so dumb. Oh my god. I'm gonna take this milk pencil from NYX and I'm gonna color these in some so that the colors stand out a lot more over my skin. This looks freaking ridiculous, but it'll work out. So I'm gonna take that blue and go over it now because the white is there. And go over this one, blue. And then I'm gonna take a little lavender purple and go over that one. It looks ridiculous on this video, but I feel like when I take pictures it'll look perfect. So I'm just gonna add a little shine to some of them with like not stripes, but like little lines, like bubble shines. Yeah. And yeah, that is the finished look. It looks weird because I'm talking, but make sure you follow me on Instagram to see these final pictures. I just wanted to film myself doing one of these for once because the graphic looks, I always do them in mind with me doing pictures and not videos. But yeah, this is what I'm like when I do the pictures of them. So I do the videos of them. The pictures are gonna be better though. But thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out my blog where I write about different things. I even wrote a new post about discounts for college students, bundles and things that you guys can get for less. So be sure to check it out, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.